So far, so good. I was right all along that selecting the best mayor in the person of Mayor Indy is the best mayor so far. This is not being biased because only good mayor can make good things happen for Osamis City and the whole of Misamis Occidental.
Kini, so far, ang say concerns na napadangat ninyo kang mayor?
To be very candid, I think ang mga rumors na dungan ako or mga feedbacks daghan na lipay because of the countless nga beneficial programs undertaken by the LGU. Our beloved mayor promised 2 years back to bring down the cost of electricity in Osamis City. I think since last year, all the Osamisnon enjoyed low electric bill because the electricity bill, the rate of electricity was 16 pesos, a high of 16 pesos. He was able to bring it down to a low of 13 pesos per kilowatt hour.
Yan ang gi-commit sa una, gi-promise sa una.
I-promise nila ni Kong Ando po. And because they realize, and I think they firmly believe, that if they can bring down the electricity cost from a high of 16 to 13 or 12, it can easily translate to more savings to the family of all the Osamisnon, which can use the savings to buy more food on the table, buy more books for their children, and also buy more medicine for the family.